So let's have a look what I got from Amazon. This is top. No, this is top. This side or this side? I'm not sure. So I'm gonna unbox this. We're gonna unbox this quick. Look what it is. This open. There we go. So that's the underside. It has those little knobs in there that basically keep the mat from sliding around in the trunk of the car. That's very good. And now it tries to roll itself up, but we need to have it lay down for a bit. I'll do a smell test. It doesn't smell, so that's good. And yeah, I would say let it sit for a minute when we're outside. We have already dog hair on here from the dog just looking at it. So this is protecting the car for 100% sure. It will protect the car. Look how much the dog likes it. It will protect the vehicle from dog hair and all kinds of things the dog can cause in the trunk. And let's have a look at it. So the dog likes it already, so it's perfect if you have like a pet in your trunk and you don't want to have all the pet hair in your car. It's going to be the dirt and everything on this mat, and then every once in a while you take it out and just wash it off with a garden hose. I think our friend here thinks it's great. Right, you like that in your car? We're gonna let it sit here for a while, that it flattens out a little bit, and then we put it in the car. And here are cutouts, 2 of them, for the cargo box. So it fits perfect. There is almost no gap here. It covers all the carpet. Look at this. It looks like laser cut here. It's a perfect fit. When we look along this line, it's 100% fitting exactly into the gap here.